The current BT-50 is relatively fresh, but thanks to the latest events in the truck industry, the all-new model could be out in 2025. Mazda has a long-time partnership with Ford. The US company was a key partner in the truck segment, but two manufacturers split their ways recently, which opens a new option for the 2025 Mazda BT-50. Redesign. The redesign might bring a new architecture that will support a body-on-frame platform that opens up many options for the 2025 Mazda BT-50. The towing capacity will be better and the truck will be more competitive in the US market. Nowadays, there are more pickup trucks with unibody concept. Engine. The new engine is ready. Mazda will start using a 6-cylinder unit. Also, the fresh styling should draw more attention. The most recent rumors report the BT-50 might envelop and the next-gen truck will be sold as the 2025 Mazda BT-60. We will keep monitoring news and speculations about this model since it leaves a lot of room for different theories. 2024 Mazda BT-50 release date and price. There are many speculations and options. The company will take some time to make a wise decision. The truck will be all new after the partnership breakup with Ford. The first details about the 2025 Mazda BT-50 will be announced in 2024. We will see the primary later on.